Welcome back to Animal World. In today's episode, we are going to uncover the truth about a unique and fascinating creature, the only mammal in the world that feeds on blood. That's right, we're talking about the infamous vampire bat. While the mere mention of vampires might bring to mind fictional tales of horror and fantasy, these real-life creatures have captured the curiosity and imagination of scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. So let's dive deep into the world of the vampire bat and learn about their intriguing lifestyle, behavior, and ecological importance. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell before the video begins to ensure you don't miss out on more amazing content like this. If you're ready to dive into this video, let's get started and make sure you stay tuned for more exciting videos. Vampire bats, a unique species. Vampire bats, the world's only mammal that feeds on blood, are a unique and fascinating species. These small, nocturnal creatures are found in parts of Central and South America and have long been shrouded in mystery. Recent research has shed new light on their behavior and biology, uncovering the truth behind their blood-feeding habits. Vampire bats are highly specialized feeders that rely on blood as their sole source of nutrition, using sharp teeth to make a small incision in their prey, and then lapping up the blood that oozes out. They have also developed remarkable adaptations for finding and accessing their prey, including heat-sensing abilities and social bonding behaviors. However, vampire bats are not the blood-sucking villains of popular culture, but rather fascinating and important members of their ecosystems, playing a vital role in controlling insect populations and contributing to our understanding of evolutionary biology and animal behavior. Feeding behavior and adaptations. Vampire bats are highly adapted to feed on blood, and their feeding behavior is both fascinating and complex. These bats have a unique feeding method known as hematophagy, which involves feeding on the blood of other animals. They primarily target large mammals such as cows, horses, pigs, and even humans in some cases. However, contrary to popular belief, vampire bats do not suck blood like fictional vampires. Instead, they make a small, shallow incision with their razor-sharp teeth and lap up the flowing blood with their tongue. Their saliva contains an anticoagulant, which prevents the blood from clotting and allows them to drink their fill. To locate their prey, vampire bats use a highly developed sense of smell and infrared sensors on their nose and face to detect the heat emitted by the blood vessels near the skin's surface. This enables them to precisely target a feeding site, often on the lower limbs of their prey, where the blood flow is relatively high. Remarkably, vampire bats can consume up to half of their body weight in blood in a single night, which is equivalent to a human drinking several gallons of liquid. Social behavior and cooperative feeding. One of the most intriguing aspects of vampire bats is their social behavior and cooperative feeding strategy. Vampire bats live in colonies, usually in caves or abandoned buildings, with some colonies comprising hundreds or even thousands of individuals. These bats exhibit strong social bonds and form close-knit communities, where they engage in cooperative feeding to increase their chances of survival. Vampire bats practice a unique form of social reciprocity, where they regurgitate and share blood with less fortunate colony members that were unable to find a blood meal. This behavior, known as food sharing or allogrooming, helps to maintain social cohesion within the colony and ensures that all members have access to a blood meal, even in times of scarcity. This cooperative behavior is remarkable, as it is rare among mammals and showcases the complex social dynamics and altruism present in the animal kingdom. Reproduction, motherly love. The world's only mammal that feeds on blood, commonly known as the vampire bat, has a fascinating reproductive strategy that highlights the power of motherly love. Female vampire bats form close-knit groups called maternity colonies, where they give birth and raise their young. These colonies are highly cooperative, with bats forming strong social bonds and engaging in communal care. Mother bats invest significant time and energy in nurturing their offspring, providing them with sustenance in the form of their own blood until the pups are old enough to feed on their own. In fact, research has shown that vampire bat mothers often prioritize feeding their hungry offspring over feeding themselves, showcasing a remarkable level of maternal devotion. This selfless act of providing for their young demonstrates the profound importance of motherly love in the reproductive strategy of the world's only blood-feeding mammal, the vampire bat. Ecological importance and conservation. Despite their notorious reputation, vampire bats play a vital ecological role in their natural habitats. As blood feeders, they act as both predators and scavengers, helping to control populations of large mammals such as cattle and horses. By feeding on the blood of these animals, vampire bats help to regulate their populations and prevent overgrazing, which can negatively impact the ecosystem. They also help to recycle nutrients from blood back into the environment, contributing to the nutrient cycle and ecosystem balance. And that's a wrap. We've delved into the fascinating world of the world's only mammal that feeds on blood. From its unique habits to its remarkable adaptations, we've uncovered the truth about this mysterious creature. We hope you enjoyed this eye-opening journey with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing content. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.